Welcome to Sapa, Vietnam. If you're flying out of the Philippines, this is basically Baguio City, but much colder, and you get a passport stamp. Plus, the local currency makes you feel like an instant millionaire, until you mentally convert everything back to pesos. We went all the way up Mount Fansipan. We took the cable car, so absolutely zero hiking was involved, and my legs are completely well rested. Which is great, because the view was resting too. We paid for the roof of Indochina, but were greeted by a premium, high-definition wall of white fog. Safely back down in the town proper, you will meet the local tribes. They give off a very familiar Bajau energy, except they don't ask for alms. Instead, they will relentlessly shadow you until your conscience caves in, and you buy a handmade pouch you absolutely do not need. To escape the sales pitch, you can hide in one of the many aesthetic cafes. It's the perfect place to maximize those thick winter outfits we rarely get to use back home, and drink dangerously strong, authentic Vietnamese coffee. One sip and my heart was palpitating fast enough to overthink all my life choices. If you love great coffee, freezing temperatures without needing a visa, and the thrill of traveling overseas just to stare at fog, Sapa is the place to be. Tag that friend who owes you a plane ticket.